In this video, we're gonna go through app which is called Snapwidget Photo and Drawing. So this is the app which helps you to add your friends to your home screen. So you can share moments to your friends widget. You can draw doodles for your friends. You can take live videos. You can set up separate widgets and all of that. And recently there is a new update that video and live photo are now supported. So anyhow, let's just open the app. So here is how it looks like. And yeah, that's the overview. You can add photos or live videos. You can upload pictures. You can change the direction of the camera, and you can add friends in the top right. So you can add friends from contacts. You can just tap add, and that's basically how you add friends. So sync your contacts with Snapwidget app, add people from there, and then you will be able to add people like your friends. It's not possible to search friends in some like open database here or something, so it's only your iPhone contacts. So yeah, for example, then the next step, what you need to do is you need to add a widget itself. So just tap and hold until you see all the apps jiggling. Then just search for Snapwidget, and here you can add that. So just tap to add widget. And then also, if you tap and hold on it, you can add a separate widget for a separate friend. So they're all friends. You can select, and then you can select specific friend for who you want to add this widget. So that's basically the idea of the app. And then if I add this widget, so friends who sent me pictures, so their pictures will appear on my home screen. And if now I send a picture, I can't submit a picture yet because I don't have friends, but if I send this picture, I can submit it to a specific friend, and then this picture will appear on that home screen. So now you have history in top left. There is live, so you can add live pictures. It's a new feature. Then you can also add some different images and stuff like that. So that's also interesting. So you can send drawings, because in a lot of apps similar to Snapwidget, it is only possible to send photos or drawings. But here this app is cool because it combines two things. So sometimes you just want to send a photo, sometimes you want to send a drawing, and sometimes, maybe rarely, you want to send video or live photo or something like that. So all of that will be included in widget, and we'll have like a live display, and will be displayed on the home screen in the widget. Then there are some settings. Here you can see all the tutorials here, how to do that. Then there is feedback in case you want to reach out to some feedback. Do you have any questions or concerns? Let us know and attach a screenshot or screen recording so we can help solve the problems for you and improve your in-app experience. So then you will just have all this information included. You can also add something like delete, like if you want to delete your account or personal data, this is the place to do it. So that's basically the idea. So yeah, something like that. So then there is, so you can also, of course, like the app, give it a like. And that's basically it. So there are new updates coming. As you can see now, you can add a live photo. Also, you can upload photos. So in the bottom left, you can tap and upload your photos from here. I don't know why there is no option to upload video right from the app. So I don't know where that option should be. So that's that. It is not possible to zoom in or zoom out in this app at this moment. And then of course, sorry, you have a history of all your pictures here. So that's basically that. Then you can go to the App Store. You can see there are just 570 ratings. But average rating is pretty high, 4.7 out of 5. Sweet enough. So cool and funny. It needs a phone number. So some people are concerned that you can only create an account with a phone number. So that's the issue here. Great app. I don't know how to add friends. Such a good idea. So widget. Sometimes widget doesn't appear. So sometimes that. So people can't find the widget. It doesn't appear. So yeah, it can be the issue also for the Locket widget or for like widget pal. So basically, if you tap and hold for some devices and you try to search for Snap widget, it doesn't appear here. So yeah, so it doesn't appear. And so people advise just to try a few minutes, or like restart your phone, restart your Wi-Fi, and try to add friends first and try to take a picture or something like that. Because for example, I tried install Widget Pal app, which is a similar app to this. You can also try it out. But they also have this issue when you try to install the widget, it's not installed actually. So you should get some actually works. I love the idea, amazing. It doesn't work. When I try to add a friend, both of our links don't work. You are both registered and send us both the App Store. Don't let me view my history, won't let me add friends. I really like this really extensive developer replies here. So that's that. Anyways, this is the app. This is an overview. Definitely give it a try. It's a free app. There is no upgrade, so it's just like having fun with your friends. No ads so far. So as far as they allowing all these features for you, just try it out, have fun, and it's really cool app for like distance relationship, or even if you want to surprise your friends and have a cool relationship with your friends. Just be more creative, not just texting each other for hours, but you can just also have this real-time widget. And maybe there will be more updates coming, more features, maybe better drawing feature, maybe some other cool things. There is so much potential. I actually think there is a big future in these widget apps, maybe because it kind of brings down the gap between you need to go to your app, you need to open the app and send a photo or text. Here you just open your phone, and on your screen you just see the photos of your relatives or friends or loved ones. So that's pretty cool. You don't need to do some additional actions and all of that. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. Hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching. Check out my YouTube channel and my blog, and see you in the next videos.